Welcome to the Enact Analysis Dashboards video. This video introduces dashboard tiles and features that allow you to quickly explore quality data in nearly limitless ways, saving both time and money. It explores box and whisker charts that help identify hidden trends, Pareto charts that make it easy to identify and analyze areas of nonconformance, and tags that aid in filtering and analysis. The parameter set in this example includes last week's data from the Cheery Chips potato chip packaging area. Our current focus is on the KPIs of net weight, nitrogen pressure, and tear strength across all lines and all products for two different sites. Let's examine how the Enact box and whisker tile excels at comparative analysis and finding hidden trends. This tile contains data from many products, lines, and features with widely different targets and tolerances. However, Enact's standardization techniques make it possible to combine everything within a single chart. This Pareto tile displays the process events for the same parameter set. Events are created only when there's some sort of rule violation, and analyzing them helps keep your focus on the areas most in need of attention. Let's see how Enact makes it simple to explore your data. A KPI that will be important to any food or beverage producer is net weight. In this chart, we notice that the box is located above the target, and the upper whisker exceeds the upper specification limit. This means we're giving away product by overfilling. We need to find out where this is happening as quickly as possible. Enact makes it simple to drill down into the net weight data. Here it is broken down by site. This example also highlights the use of Enact tags. When operators collect data on the various lines, Enact automatically knows where each line is located based on the location tags. These charts clearly show that Fairfax is the source of nearly all the net weight rule violations and most of the overfill. Luton, by comparison, is performing well, so there's no need to examine that site any further. A drill down into the Fairfax site shows the data by line. It's now obvious that packaging line 1 in Fairfax is the real problem area, which we can verify by expanding the net weight data set within the Pareto tile. Fairfax packaging line 1 is the source of nearly all the net weight rule violations. At this point, we can increase our focus even further by using Enact's filtering options. For example, we'll configure a filter by selecting Fairfax Packaging Line 1 under Processes and Net Weight under Features. Clicking the Search button refreshes the page to show the filtered data, along with a reminder that filters have been selected. Let's maximize this panel to take a closer look. Expanding Line 1 shows the results of all products in 300-gram bags, regardless of flavor, versus those in the smaller 50-gram bags. This granularity is made possible by Enact tags. In our example, every packaged product is assigned a bag size tag that is automatically associated with that data to provide much more insight than looking at every product individually. We can see that the variation in filling the smaller bags is greater than the larger bags, but they're both being significantly overfilled. We can also analyze the data by individual product. In this example, they appear consistent, so we can conclude that there's not a setup issue with a particular product or bag size. The problem here is likely to be a systemic issue, such as scale calibration or an incorrect operating procedure. It's clearly time to dispatch process improvement resources and get this issue resolved. Enact is built to encourage data exploration. It enables you to easily select other categories, such as lot or time, or rearrange them to answer different questions. You can also easily change the parameter set to examine other areas or time frames. Any changes made on your dashboards are retained the next time you log in, but they won't affect other users' views. And once your data exploration is complete, you can simply click Reset Dashboard to return your dashboard to its original state. Thank you for watching this overview of Enact analysis dashboards and tags. This video demonstrated how box and whisker charts help identify hidden trends in your data, how Pareto charts make it easy to identify and analyze areas of nonconformance, and how Enact tags aid in filtering and analysis. The next video in this series explores Enact operator tools. We encourage you to view each video to learn about the power and versatility of Enact.